Hello, if you wonder if Realme 14 Pro Plus does come with a charger, let me quickly show you. Let's put this phone aside and we will focus on the box itself. So let's open this one up, and right here we have this little box with the silicone case. Let me just quickly open this up. Right here we have the box with the silicone case, some instructions and the SIM tool. And right here we have the paper. We can lift this one up like this, and here we can find the charging cable, but unfortunately we cannot find the charging adapter. There's nothing more inside this box, but we have the charging cable, and we also can find the information about the charging adapter on this lid right here, on the top of this lid. Here we have the information, the icon that shows that there is no charging adapter included, and it is recommended to use from 5 to 55 watts charging adapter, charging brick for this phone. So that's the quick answer for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.